Hi, my name is Twesha. I am from the Heritage International Experiential Learning School and I'm going to Columbia. I was convinced I was going to get rejected and I told everyone that have no expectations. I think my dad thought he had like an inkling that I might get in. So he was like happy, but it wasn't very unexpected for him. But my mom was like completely surprised. I think whatever Athena made me do or recommended, it was always streamlined with my interests, and so I was always passionate about whatever projects that I was doing. So for example, I wanted to apply for biomedical engineering, bioengineering type stuff, and all of my projects had like a health angle or improving quality of life for humanity. And I found ways to inculcate different aspects of my personality. For example, I really enjoyed art and photography, so I made like a series of pieces, art pieces about CRISPR and genetic engineering, and just to portray my views on that. And then, for example, another one of my projects was about combining art and engineering and using that to improve mental health with specially abled kids. There were certainly points where it was overwhelming in the sense where I didn't know if my essay was going to cut it or the hook was good enough. But I think with the writers especially, I was very open with them and we kept on brainstorming until I was comfortable with the idea and I thought, okay, this is good to go. And I think what worked really well for me is that I got feedback from many different people. Like I got it from my counselors, my writers, Rahul sir, my parents. So I think that really helped me portray myself as a holistic person and as authentically as possible. I definitely learned how to manage my time better and how to handle multiple things at once, not just academics or not just, sports or swimming or art. I definitely learned to juggle multiple things. That was one of the biggest learnings for me. Okay, so I think one of my research projects was creating a paper-based diagnostic tool for diabetes, and just understanding the way it worked was a challenge for me because it involved physics that wasn't necessarily taught in school, and it pushed my limits in the sense that I got to know the amount of back-end work that goes into just creating a product. And the research project also opened up avenues for how to market a product or how to sell it or how to identify markets where you can actually introduce the product. The blending of science and I think market research was really interesting for me, and it definitely pushed my limits. I think in terms of research, I was always able to reach out to the research team and they always gave me multiple rounds of feedback. You can add more to the abstract, you can change this, change that. And then in terms of college profile building, I think they understood my personality very early on and they understood that I wanted to be as authentic as possible in the process. I think Khushbu ma'am, Dikshita ma'am, they helped me identify my strong suits really well and helped me portray my strong suits in the best possible way. For my ED, we went back and forth with the whole Athena team quite a bit. And it was a very stressful time, but I think having very open channels of communication with Athena and my family was really helpful for me because we switched between multiple colleges. We talked about Stanford, UPenn, and then finally we reached Columbia. One, because it's a really great engineering school and it's really good for biomedical engineering. But also because they understood that I have a different aspect to my identity as well, which is more creative, artistic, and that's why Columbia was so good for me because it's not just about an engineering school. They have their own core curriculum, which is really interesting to me. They actually encourage you to explore arts and not just dive into the STEM part of your personality. And then, of course, being in New York City, I really loved the idea of, having student discounts for Met, MoMA, Broadway. So that was definitely a plus. And yeah, I just really like the city as a whole. This one was a really funny essay and I think I struggled most with this because actually it was really ironically funny because the question was, what's the greatest challenge that you faced? So I was talking about like establishing myself as a leader, as someone who's more shy and introverted and, understated and doesn't, isn't outgoing. So I actually took Columbia's mascot, which is a lion, and I took the Lion King movie and then I played on that. So I talked about how Simba's leadership as a king evolved from very outgoing and proud and, extroverted to more, encouraging everyone around him. The week before the ED results came out, I was like, actually, my friends can testify this, but I was like super sad because I was like, I'm gonna get rejected and no other college will take me because I don't think I can do this process again. I was 100% sure I was gonna get rejected. So Khushbu ma'am, Dikshita ma'am, and my mom like secretly planned just get her out of the house, meet her at Athena. So they met me outside with my friends and then we just had pizza at the office, which was a really nice stress buster. Quirky, creative, and resilient.